A simple delicious air fried chicken recipe. For this we require chicken wings, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, paprika powder 1.5 teaspoon, or you can use Kashmiri chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoon, you can add some water to mix and make it like a coating over the chicken. Once this marinated, you can add this to a grease proof sheet. Add some olive oil. Now this can place into the air fryer middle shelf. And the temperature can be adjusted to 190 to 195 and for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the chicken wings are ready. And this is a absolutely simple and delicious recipe. You can serve this with rice as a side. Also, you can serve this as itself. Thank you.